Bitcoin. It's been called digital gold and a get-rich-quick scheme. But in 2024, is it still a good investment, or is it time to focus on clearing your debts first? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change the way you think about money forever. Hi everyone, welcome back to Invest Vision Hub. Today's video is going to tackle two of the hottest and most important financial questions. Is Bitcoin still worth your money in 2024? And should you prioritize paying off your debts first? Stick with me to the end to get a clear roadmap to financial success, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. The current state of Bitcoin in 2024. Let's start with Bitcoin. As of 2024, Bitcoin has continued to show its volatility. It's seen significant growth since its early days, but also massive dips that scare off new investors. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Adoption trends. More institutions are accepting Bitcoin as a valid form of payment. This increases its legitimacy. 2. Regulatory updates. Governments worldwide are creating clearer rules for cryptocurrency, making it safer, but not without risks. 3. Halving effect. Bitcoin's halving event in 2024 has reduced the supply, potentially increasing its value over time. 4. Market sentiment. Many believe Bitcoin is still the digital gold and a hedge against inflation, but it's no longer the get-rich-quick asset it once was. So, is it worth investing in Bitcoin right now? The answer depends on your financial situation and goals, which brings us to the next point. Why paying off debts should come first. Before diving into Bitcoin or any investment, let's talk about debt. Here's why tackling debt first is essential. 1. High interest rates. Most consumer debts like credit cards have higher interest rates than the returns you might make from Bitcoin or stocks. Paying these off is like getting a guaranteed return. 2. Peace of mind. Imagine investing in Bitcoin and its value drops. If you're also juggling debts, the stress multiplies. Paying off debt gives you financial stability. 3. Better financial position. Once your debts are cleared, you'll have more disposable income to invest confidently. A step-by-step financial roadmap. Here's a simple plan to balance debt repayment and investing. 1. List your debts. Start by listing all your debts, including the amounts and interest rates. 2. Create a budget. Allocate a portion of your income specifically for debt repayment. 3. Emergency fund. First, build an emergency fund of at least 3 months' expenses to avoid relying on credit during emergencies. 4. Start small investments. If your debts are under control and you're curious about Bitcoin, start with a small amount that won't hurt your financial security. 5. Educate yourself. Keep learning about Bitcoin and other investments. Remember, knowledge is power. Final thoughts. The big question. So, is Bitcoin still a good investment in 2024? It can be, if you're in a stable financial position and willing to take calculated risks. But the foundation of any financial journey is this: clear your debts, create a safety net, and then invest with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Invest Vision Hub. Let me know in the comments. Are you investing in Bitcoin this year, or are you focusing on paying off debts first? I can't wait to hear your thoughts.